Alright, so in this lecture, let's see how to create a project in Jira. So by seeing these requirements, we have decided that we have to create one project, and we have hired few agile team members along with product owner, scrum master. Our company hired all these people. So now we have given a Jira license by our company, and now it's time for us to create one project to develop these features for credit card online banking application. Okay, so you are given two like this in your company. So first thing is you have to create one project to track all these activities. So how to create a project? So once you are in the home page of Jira, just click on this create button, or you see that you have dashboards, projects, issues, boards. Firstly, let's click on this projects, and here you will see the current projects what all your company already have in this Jira. Okay, so by the time you are creating, obviously there will be some different projects which your company is already running, and if you want to view all those projects, you can click this, and that will help you to watch the projects what are currently you are having in your Jira. Let's say that the project is already built, and your manager told you to, hey, look at that credit card online banking project which is already in our Jira, go and start working in it. At that time you have to select this projects and click on this view all projects, so that you will land here, and then here you can search for that credit and hit an enter. Right now we don't have any project, and then go and tell to your manager, hey, there are no projects created, and then he may say you that, why don't you create one? Yes, we do. Okay, let's go and create one, as we don't have any existing projects. So in that case, again go and select that tab, and here you have something like create project. Okay, so when you are creating, Jira asking you, do I need to create a project in Scrum style or Kanban style? Okay, I told you, right? Agile comes with different frameworks. At that time, again go to your manager and ask, I know we are dealing with Agile, but what framework we are in? Are we using Agile Scrum or Kanban? Just ask this question. And obviously, he would say that's a Scrum. Rarely people go with Kanban, but again, I'll come to that topic as well later. Let's say that your manager said that, yeah, we are going with Scrum process. Cool. Then select that project template and click on next. Okay, so these are different issue types you have to deal when you are working with this project. Let's learn about all these in our coming lectures. Okay, don't worry about that. So it clearly says that use this project to manage your agile development work. Create a backlog, organize work into sprints, check progress. Okay, we will do all this. At this point, you don't know what is backlog, what is sprint, and all this. I'll teach you that. Okay, right. So click on select, and now you have to give one project name. Obviously, I would give that credit card banking. Okay, so this is just key value for your project. This is used when you want to use APIs to invoke Jira. So that's out of scope for us. Okay, you see that you are creating a project for Scrum team. That's what we are doing. Credit card banking is a project name. I'm going to do this for my team because our team recently onboarded, and project we just received yesterday, and our manager told us to create one project in Jira so that we can start tracking it. Okay, so let's click on submit, so that we have successfully created credit card banking project in our Jira. But I am sure that when you onboard a new project, there will be already an existing project in Jira. I don't think someone will ask you to create a project, right? So probably managers do that, or there will be already one. So if that is the case, just log in into your Jira. You need not ask anyone about where to look. Go to this projects tab, view all projects, and then you can start searching. Okay, so now if you type credit, you got this project, and you click on this so that you will go to that project homepage. Okay, so that's how you can create and search for project in Jira. Perfect. So we have successfully created. And now, what is Epic? This is the first thing you want to know when you are working with Agile and Jira. So here, as part of our project, we decided to develop 3 features. Developing the login screen, dashboard screen. When you log in into your application, you will be landed on home page, right? That's, we say it as a dashboard. That one, and a profile page to update user information. These are 3 high level features which we need to develop. So typically in Agile, we call a term called epic instead of feature. Okay, so here that means we have 3 epics with us. One epic is to develop login module, one epic credit card dashboard, one epic profile. Okay, that's we say as epic. And basically when I say epic, it's a high level requirement which we need to achieve, right? So for our project, we have given 3 high level requirements. So that means we have 3 epics to solve as part of this project. Okay, and the clear definition of this, I will come again after I teach what is user story. And then I'll come back to this epic and I will read out this definition to explain it more clear. But for now, just read when someone say epic, that means it's a feature what we need to develop and it's on high level. So we know that there are 3 epics in our project now, which we need to develop. So next, if that are the 3 features what we need to develop, then what is user story? User story is the word which is commonly used everywhere in Agile process. So in our next lecture, let's try to understand what is user story and how it is related to epic and what are differences between epic and user story. Okay, so first I am trying to make you familiarize with Agile terms. Thereafter, I will show how to do all these and manage practically in Jira tool. Okay, so if I directly start showing that let's create epic, you don't understand, right? First you need to know what is epic, and then when I try to create in Jira, you will appreciate it, isn't it? So as I said, I'm teaching both in parallel. I'll try my best to balance them. Okay, so in the next lecture, let's try to understand these terminologies and then we'll jump back to Jira to create this epics and user stories. All right, thank you guys.